Hi there. There's always something new happening at Altasciences, and today we're launching a new system that we have named Albert to support our tell us once approach. We've given him the personality of an elephant because he has a huge memory and he's able to share our bank of information across all our sites, divisions and teams. So Albert is a comprehensive, custom-built, internal, proprietary database for key customer information. So when someone at Altasciences wants to learn about your preferences, your program, your studies, or any specific requirements, rather than asking you over and over, they ask Albert, where all your information is neatly stored and easily accessible. We get it. Transferring data, projects, and/or methodologies between CROs or between different groups within a multi-service CRO takes time. It's prone to error, and it can lead to prolonged R&D timelines. So here at Altasciences, we've been addressing these outsourcing challenges by making the integration of our services a top priority. We're fulfilling our vision of becoming the first CRO to build a solution allowing for multiple points of entry and a seamless flow from lead candidate selection to clinical proof of concept and even beyond. We now have more than 1,000 employees in North America working together to bring you, our customers, the best possible services while making your life easier. You only have to tell us your story once. Albert, along with our seamless communication, teamwork processes, and scientific expertise, will guarantee a unified experience.